In this video, I will show you how to bezel set a faceted stone in tubing. Materials you will need for this video are faceted stones, tubing of the appropriate size, setting burrs, a file, a saw, a miter jig, a sanding stick, rubber wheels, a pumice wheel, your dividers, a ruler, and your hammer setting tools. What size of tubing do you need? This is the most important piece of information that you will need to determine. I like to cut tubing that is at least 4 millimeters wide and then cut it down later if necessary. I will place the tubing in my miter jig. I will set the stone on top of the bezel to see how it fits. I will cut a seat and stop when the bezel wall is about 1/3 of the way up the stone's crown. I will begin to set the stone by hammering the metal over the stone at the north, south, west, and east points. With a few simple steps in place, a successful tube setting can be achieved.